Good morning students. In this video we will discuss about operators in Java. The symbols used in Java expressions are known as operators, whereas the values on which the operations are performed are known as operands. Let us take one example, 30 plus 4. Here 30 and 4 are the operands and the operator used is the plus. Now we will discuss about different types of operators. So first one, arithmetical operator. As you can see, plus, minus, asterisk, that is multiplication, division, and then modulo, that is for to take the remainder, etc. We are using for arithmetical operators. Next one is relational operator. Here less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, and equals to. See here 2 equals to sign is used for making it equal. So this is relational operator. Then logical operators. As you can see the symbol, the first one it is and, then or, and the next one is not. So these are the logical operators which we have to use in our program. Then one more operator is, that is assignment operator, where we are assigning the value through the equals to sign. So we'll discuss here arithmetical operator. These operators are required for arithmetical calculations. First of all, they are of two types. Binary operator. So you can see the table here, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and to get the remainder, modulo sign has been used. As we had discussed, plus and minus operators are binary operators, so these are unary operators also. You can see in the last line it is x plus plus. It stands for x is equals to x plus 1. Similarly, x minus minus stands for x is equals to x minus 1. So the operators plus plus and minus minus are the two shortcuts arithmetical operators, and they are used in this way. Now we'll discuss about relational operator. So relational operator in Java are used to compare the value of two operands, means the numbers, like here it is a and b, and results in the outcome of the boolean values. Just look on the screen. Here the operators given and descriptions is also given, like I am reading the first one. Here the operator greater than used, and the example is a greater than b when we are using this operator. Similarly, if we will use the second one, that is a less than b, we also can show a is greater than and equals to b through the third symbol, and the fourth symbol says that a is less than and equals to b. Then the next one is a is equals to b. So like in maths we are writing a then equals to sign and then b. So here we have to show that a and then double equals to sign is equals to v, means the value of a and b are same, and if it is not same then we have to use the not equals to symbol which is given at the last. The symbols that perform logical operations on the result of relational expressions are called logical operators. The result of logical expression is true or false. As you can see in the table, it is the first one is and. So here it is given A and it is B. So its syntax is option number 1 and then logical operator, that is and we are using, and option number 2. Then the next one is assignment operator. So assignment operator use equals to sign to assign value to a variable or to initialize them. Like if int a is equals to 10. So we have initialized the value that a is equals to 10. The next is given float b is equals to 99.99. So here we are assigning the value for b, and the difference between int and float we will discuss in the next video.